TikTok marketing trend alert. Why are micro-influencers reinventing the landscape for user-generated content and way better than fake famous influencers that we've all come to detest? As this Forbes article illustrates, paid fan content or micro-influencers are developing real communities. There's a level of authenticity and a connection that happens when advertisers work with real people who are delivering real content, having real fun, real creativity. It's a whole new world of influencer marketing. What we are not talking about here is fake famous, those mondo influencers with millions of followers, like were very beautifully and kind of like disturbingly illustrated in this great HBO documentary that I do recommend called Fake Famous. What we are talking about are people my age and all different kinds of people, but this is a good example. Grandfluencers or grandparents who are influencers and are out here on TikTok and on other social media, getting a real following, engaging, again, in a very authentic way. That's a micro-influencer. So bottom line, if you're interested in marketing on social media and in TikTok in particular, the landscape is being redrawn. User-generated content is being reinvented, and it's really kind of a whole new ballgame. Be in it to win it. Play, learn, experiment. If you want to know more about TikTok for Business, visit combridges.com/blog. I did a whole kind of mini workshop with 4 different video examples that you might enjoy. Like and follow for more information, or not.